Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to start a Hyundai Kona step by step. Hold the key fob inside the vehicle or use the smart key, press the brake pedal firmly, and press the start button or turn the key to start. Check dashboard lights for any warnings, listen for normal engine idle, and allow the warm-up for a few moments before driving. If there are issues, consult your owner manual or a technician. Start by identifying your Kona key type and confirming the parking brake is set. For push-button models, keep the smart key inside, press the brake, and press start. For traditional keys, insert and turn while pressing brake and clutch if applicable. Watch the instrument panel for system checks and warning lights. If the engine does not start, try shifting to neutral or check starter and battery connections calmly before calling for help. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like. It truly helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: grab a copy of The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that reframes saving, investing, and financial peace, which pairs well with smart car ownership decisions. It makes budgeting for maintenance and upgrades feel easier and more intentional. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. When your Kona won't start, stay calm and run simple checks. Confirm fuel, inspect battery terminals, and ensure gear is in park or neutral. Try a jump start if battery voltage is low, and avoid rapid repeated starter attempts to prevent damage. For keyless systems, replace the key fob battery or use the mechanical key if available. Persistent issues like starter failure or immobilizer faults should be handled by a professional technician to ensure safety and reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.